Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we bring you the latest news and reviews about the gadgets you love. If you're new here, you'll want to stick around because today we're diving into a device that might just change the way you experience entertainment at home. Apple has been working on its next generation Apple TV, and the 2025 model is shaping up to be more than just a streaming box. It's not only about watching shows and movies anymore. Apple is building the Apple TV into a centerpiece of your living room, a hub for gaming, fitness, smart home control, and more. And this year's update could finally make it a must-have device for Apple fans. The Apple TV 2025 is expected to launch in the fall, most likely in September alongside the iPhone 17 and the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple usually refreshes its streaming device every 2 years, and the timing lines up perfectly for a new model. This one is rumored to be the most powerful Apple TV yet, with upgrades in performance, software, and integration. Let's talk design first. While the Apple TV has always been a compact, minimalist box, the 2025 model could be even smaller and more efficient. Reports suggest Apple has managed to shrink down the internals while keeping cooling just as effective. Some sources even hint at a redesigned remote, with improved haptics and a slightly larger touch surface for smoother navigation. The remote has always been a pain point for users, and Apple seems ready to fix it once and for all. The real magic, though, comes inside. The Apple TV 2025 is expected to feature the new M5 chip, the same one powering the latest iPad Pro and MacBook models. This is a huge step up from the A15 chip found in the 2022 Apple TV 4K. With the M5, you can expect console-level gaming performance, faster app loading, and a smoother overall experience. Imagine playing Apple Arcade titles with graphics and performance close to what you'd see on a PlayStation or Xbox. For many users, this could replace a gaming console entirely. The M5 chip also means better multitasking. The Apple TV will handle 4K HDR streams, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos with ease, while also supporting new interactive features in tvOS. And there's a good chance Apple will add support for 8K content. While 8K TVs aren't mainstream yet, Apple is known for building future-proof devices. Having 8K support built in will make the Apple TV ready for the next wave of displays. One of the most exciting features rumored for the 2025 model is deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem. Apple is said to be working on turning the Apple TV into a true smart home hub. With the rise of Matter, the universal smart home standard, Apple TV 2025 could become the central controller for all your devices, lights, locks, thermostats, cameras, directly from your TV screen. This is a shift from just entertainment to full home control. Another big addition could be AI-driven content recommendations. With Apple's work on generative AI in 2025, the Apple TV might suggest shows, games, or fitness routines based on your habits. Imagine finishing a workout on Apple Fitness Plus and immediately seeing a recommended recovery video, or playing a game and getting suggestions for similar titles that match your style. The experience will feel more personal than ever. Fitness is also a major focus. The Apple TV already works with Fitness Plus, but the 2025 version is expected to offer enhanced features like real-time form tracking with the help of iPhone and Apple Watch sensors. If you're doing yoga, strength training, or cardio, your Apple devices will work together with the Apple TV to give you instant feedback on your posture, reps, or heart rate. It's like having a personal trainer in your living room. And then there's gaming. Apple is rumored to launch a new gaming controller alongside the Apple TV 2025. While you can already use third-party controllers, an official Apple-designed controller could make the gaming experience much smoother and more consistent. With the M5 chip inside, gaming on Apple TV could rival traditional consoles, which makes this rumor even more exciting. Connectivity will also get a boost. The new Apple TV should support Wi-Fi 7, which means faster speeds, lower latency, and more stable connections. For streaming 4K and 8K content, this is going to be important. It will also improve cloud gaming and video conferencing. Speaking of video calls, Apple might finally introduce built-in support for Facet IME on the Apple TV, using your iPhone or iPad as the camera. That means group calls on the big screen, perfect for families and friends. When it comes to storage, expect Apple to offer larger options. The current Apple TV maxes out at 128 GB, but the 2025 version could go up to 512 GB or even 1 TB. This makes sense if Apple is serious about positioning the Apple TV as a gaming and content hub. Larger storage would let you download more apps, games, and offline content without worrying about space. Now, let's talk price. Apple usually keeps the Apple TV in the $129 to $199 range, but with all these upgrades, the 2025 model could start closer to $199 and go up depending on storage. Still, when you consider the M5 chip, gaming potential, smart home features, and Apple's long-term support, it's likely worth it for users who are already invested in Apple's ecosystem. To sum it up, the Apple TV 2025 isn't just a streaming box. It's shaping up to be a powerful home hub that combines entertainment, gaming, fitness, and smart home control in one sleek device. With the M5 chip, possible 8K support, smarter software, and deeper integration across devices, Apple is making the Apple TV more relevant than ever. This is not just about catching up with competitors like Roku, Amazon, or Google. It's about Apple redefining what a living room device can do. And if all the rumors hold true, the Apple TV 2025 could finally become an essential product in Apple's lineup. That's all for today's look at the upcoming Apple TV 2025. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest updates on the tech that matters most. Stay tuned for more coverage as we get closer to the official launch.